Hello and welcome. Today I want to share with you how to keep your shower glass looking good for forever. And it's really simple. It's a two-step process. Step number one is you need to dry it off after you're done with it. And this is a step that I think everybody's doing wrong because they're using one of these. I tried this out first too, and I absolutely hate it. And the reason I don't like it is because it is very time consuming and difficult to use this well, especially around the edges of your glass and your shower door handles and all that. This just doesn't work very well. Also, I can tell exactly how high my wife can reach on our shower door because there's a line across it. So, if not this, what do you use? Well, the answer is simple. Your towel works really, really well. When you're done drying yourself off, just use your towel to dry off the glass, and you're good to go. If you don't like the idea of using the same towel that you're drying off with, just have a second hand towel handy that you can dry it off with. But that has worked the best for me. And I've tried some other stuff too. I tried chamois. Those used to be popular when I was younger for drying cars. I tried several brands of those, but nothing really worked as well as just my regular towel did. So that's what I've been using ever since. So give that a shot instead of your squeegee. I think you're going to realize that it's way, way faster and easier to do than using this thing. So step number two is you need to seal your glass. And what does that mean? Well, what you use a product like this. This one's made by Rain-X. And what it does is it seals in all the micro cracks that are in your glass. And once those are sealed, then the water will just sheet right off your glass. And if you don't seal it, what's going to fill in those micro cracks are soap scum. And once that happens, then it makes your glass look bad and it's very hard to clean. So very important to seal your glass with something. I picked this one. This one's by Rain-X, and I picked this one just because I've used Rain-X products in the past for cars. One thing I will note about this one is it has a very strong smell. So if you do use this one, at the very least, open all the windows and turn on your fan, get some ventilation in there. But as far as how to use it, it's very simple. It just wipes on and wipes off. This is a process that I have to do about twice a year, so it's not that much work, and this will keep your glass looking good forever. And that's it. There's one more product I'd like to share with you just because I like it so much. And it's this guy right here. This is a hook, and it's a suction cup on the back, so you can just stick it on either your glass or your tile. And then when you screw the post in, it tightens the suction cup so it doesn't fall off. So I've had no problems with it falling off. And this is what I use in my shower so that I can hang up my towel for cleaning off my glass. I also hung one of these right outside my shower door on the glass, and then that's where I hang my towel. So I don't have to come out of the shower to grab the towel. I can just pop the door open and reach it right there. So these are really nice. I like these a lot. That's why I'm showing these to you. So I'll put links to all this stuff down below if you want to use this stuff. You're welcome to. Thank you very much.